And today's barn find is a one-of-a-kind, one owner, since new, California owned, always been in California, sunny California, since 2004 for the last 20 years. Clean title, CARFAX certified, 2004 Toyota Tacoma, extended cab, SR5 with the factory TRD off-road package and the impossible to find 5-speed manual transmission. This is the truck, the hardest truck to find and the most sought after Tacoma. Body style, combination, etc. So one owner, rust-free, never been off-road, never been abused. Same lady's been driving this truck since new. She purchased it in 2004 and we just purchased it from her. This truck has never been in any accidents, never had any kind of damage. Seems and appears to be 100% all original paint and body panels, down to the windshield and the lights or the markers all still have the Toyota stamping on them. This tells you a lot because these, as an example, headlights do not last this long. The lenses Toyota put on these things always fog up, etc. So to find it like this, it tells you this thing has been garaged. I did see the lady's garage in California where I purchased the truck from her. There is not an inch of paintwork on this truck at all. This truck was 100% stock. We just did the full upgrade Overland package on this, which includes a new 2.75-inch adjustable Bilstein level lift with Bilstein 5100 shocks all the way around. But we also do it the right way, and it does have RevTech differential drops. So all your suspension and geometry is to spec. We also added a new set of 33-inch BF Goodrich KO2s. Well, they're like 32.8, 285, 75, 16s, with a brand new set of 17-inch TRD Pro wheels. Those are the real TRD Pro wheels, OEM from Toyota, not your cheap eBay knockoffs. Factory TRD off-road package fender flares, etc. Paint is in excellent condition. There's no fading, there's no clear coat issues at all. There's a couple rock chips that have been professionally touched up, and there's one here I saw right there, and a couple right here. That is all. There's two small door dings, what you call them, small dings. One I saw it right here, and we actually have the paintless dent remover right there is coming to get this repaired. So there will be no paint work needed on the truck. We also did a full service package upgrade on this thing, which included a new timing belt. This is an AISIN timing belt kit from the factory as well, from Toyota, not cheap auto part belt. This is the AISIN timing belt. We changed the timing belt, water pump, tensioners, new thermostat with the seal, all new coolant, we flushed the brake fluid, all new driving belts, serpentine belt, AC belt, power steering belt. It's got brand new brakes in the front, brand new wipers, couple new bulbs, a license plate bulb and something else. Spark plugs were done, I think 5,000 miles ago. New battery, a brand new clutch, and a brand new flywheel. And I'm sure there's a few other things that I'm forgetting. There's all your factory VIN tags on all the body panels. Oh, new air filter, fresh oil change, all that stuff as well. There's zero rust. There's zero corrosion on any of the bolts. We did a AC service as well. Coolant. This truck is 100% collector quality. There's no paintwork, no accidents. The undercarriage, and I will show you, and you will see it in the pictures, it looks like it's brand new. There's the AISIN timing belt replacement sticker. I do have all the original books and manuals, as well as all the original service records since new. I guess not the original service records, but all the service records for this truck since brand new. They will come with the truck. I also have 2 sets of keys, or 3 sets of keys, 2 or 3, and 2 remotes, etc. This is a non-smoker Tacoma. The interior is like brand new. There's no rips or tears or any worn spots whatsoever. The headliner is like new as well. There's no sagging, there's no rips, there's no tears in it, there's no stains, there's no water spots whatsoever. It does have the factory rear slider and the factory lockers. Let me get this thing started and walk around and have you hear the engine. 5-speed manual with the TRD package. And lockers is just an impossible find. All the original equipment, original stereo.
I think at the time I've been out on the road, lonely at night.
This truck has never been smoked in, like I said. There's the ashtray. 4-wheel drive. There's your e-brake. Have you take a look at the dash and etc. The odometer reads 88,496 miles as of today. Okay, let's go around the side. It does have a tonneau cover and a satin finish. I think they're more durable that way. The bed is extremely clean. It's not beat up, it's not abused. Only issues I see with it, maybe a couple scratches. That is about it. But it's not bent, it's not mangled, none of that stuff. Yes, it's running. Let me take and show you below here. You don't see rockers on a Toyota or on a Tacoma that look like this. Nor is the frame. There's no corrosion. Look at the dirt. That's dirt. This thing is like brand new. When I said this is collector quality, it is 100%. These just trucks, they're becoming almost impossible to find. We used to have 3, 4 in stock at a time. And over the last few years, we just don't find them. They do not exist. So for me to have this thing right now, I feel very fortunate. The last Tacoma that I had in this condition and these miles with the setup with the manual was back in March, I believe. It was the same color and it had 46,000 miles. And that truck sold in 24 hours. So I'm really excited and fortunate to have this thing. It's my favorite color. The condition is amazing. It's impossible to duplicate. I think this is what probably the top 5 Tacomas that we've had. Condition-wise, look-wise, driving-wise. Something about this body style, just the way it drives, when you're driving it, it just feels super good. Besides the fact that they're probably the most reliable engines and best setup. So like I said, the couple little door dings, there's one, oh, there's the second one right here, and on the tailgate, and there might be one that I don't see, but I have my paintless dent remover coming in, and he will lock this thing with a microscope and make sure it is 100% sound. Now let's take a look at the inside. Check out the AC. I brought my AC tester. Let's go here. I gotta find that right in there. It is cold, so I just gotta turn it on. Take a minute for the vents to get you in the low 30s. And it's getting colder and colder. Oh, I like the song. I haven't heard it in a while. See if I can find the right position. So, you get the point. AC is super cold. All the lights on the dash, just turn them on. Let's turn the music down and the AC down a bit. Power windows, door locks, power mirrors, cruise control. Let's do the, oh, there's the steering wheel cranked. One finger test. No squeaks. It's at ease. Just had a fresh alignment. Steering wheel nice and tight. Shocks are all new, etc. Let's try out the windows. Driver's window up. One touch driver's window down. Passenger window. Passenger window down. Let's try it. Here's the driver's mirror. Left, right, up, and down. Let's go to the zoom in. Passenger side. Left, right, up, and down. As we all know, there's not power seats, so there's nothing there for us to try out. Factory mats. Oh, let me zoom out. In excellent condition, and let me show you the carpet below. It is brand new. That rubber has never been used. Let me go on the other side. Let me take a look at the underneath here. Original spare tires, never been used. Take a look. Just clean. Look behind the tires. Factory mount flaps since new on the front and rear, which protected the paint. Kept it and preserved it. And here's the passenger side door panel. Let me put the seat up. There's a table with both arms. There's your tool set, etc. Oh, and I see a stain right here. Detail shop, missed that. Have to butt heads with them. Very clean, very clean. So in summary, fully serviced with all the major service that's needed: timing belt, water pump, tensioners, coolant, plugs, brake fluid, power steering fluid, wash fluid, battery, air filter, oil filter, PCV valve replaced, even down to the wipers, they are brand new. This is just dialed 100%, ready to go. New tires, wheels, shocks, etc. Rust-free, one owner, California Tacoma, with all the original books, manuals, service records, original window sticker, all keys, all remotes. You don't find these every day. Don't miss out your chance. Believe me, they're not making any more of them. I can finance this truck and qualify it for basically new car financing. So I can finance this Tacoma up to 84 months if needed. My bank will do it, my special program. Your bank, your credit union will not finance a 20-year-old truck, let alone a Tacoma. They won't finance it for the value nor the age. I can finance it up to 84 months and possibly with zero down, depending on your credit. Second, I can ship this Tacoma right here, right from my showroom, right to your front door. Whether you live in Alaska, Hawaii, New York, Pennsylvania, North Carolina, South Carolina, South Dakota, Arizona, California. I don't need to say every state. You get the picture. Anywhere in the United States or Canada, I can help you organize and ship this truck right to you. I ship all my vehicles all over the country. We deal with preferred list of shippers. We vet them. We make sure they're insured, bonded, etc. We only work with highly rated transporters because, hey, believe me, it can be brain damage. So I can help you organize this whole thing and get this truck right to your front door. We handle all licensing, everything just as if you're buying it from the dealer down the street from you, except not him, not his neighbor, not the one 100 miles from you have it. Only here at Jordan Motorsports, we have it. And this is your chance to make this one owner, manual, freshly updated Tacoma with the factory rear lockers yours. Visit the website, jordanmotorsports.com. I got well over 95 detailed photos, plenty of undercarriage, inside pictures, and I'm happy to help.